welcome back to my channel. Shreya this side and hope you all are doing good. So it's summer here and समर आ जाए और श्रेया आप लोगों के लिए कोई भी समर एसेंशियल वीडियो ना लाए, दैट इज़ टोटली इम्पॉसिबल. तो फिर जी हाँ, आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी मेरे टॉप 5 favorite sunscreens, which all are under 399, and I bought all these from Amazon on some discounted price. Like जिनके प्राइस 299 थे या फिर 399 थे, वो भी मुझे 10%, 15%, 20% ऐसे डिस्काउंट्स में और भी कम प्राइस में मिले हैं. आई विल शेयर all the links below in the description box. Don't forget to check out that. So yeah, without further delay, let's just move into the video.
So first one is Sugar's Citrus Cod Real SPF 30 sunscreen. This is creamy, lightweight vitamin C based sunscreen. Not only brightens dull skin but can also help to minimize photoaging, reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Next one is Biotique Sunshield Sandalwood 50 plus SPF UVB sunscreen, ultra protective face cream for all skin types. This cream is very much water resistant in the sun, made with 100% natural ingredients, 100% botanical extract. It is alcohol free, not tested on animals. Next one is Lacto Calamine Sunshield Matte Look Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA triple plus for oily or acne prone skin, paraben and sulphate free. It is an unique water-based sunscreen lotion, lightweight and quick-absorbing, non-oily and non-sticky, enriched with choline clay and lemon extract, gives a clear matte look. Next one is Lakme Sun Expert SPF 24 PA++ Ultra Matte Lotion Sunscreen. It blocks up to 97% harmful sun rays. Shields our soft skin from sunburn, premature aging and dark spots, gives a fairer and glowing skin, broad spectrum protection. Also it can be used on neck and hands as well. So last one is Jovees Herbal Sun's Derma Care Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA triple plus. It's lightweight and oil free and UVA and UVB protection. It suits to all skin types and it's paraben and alcohol free. It prevents skin from the harmful effects of sun rays and by keeping skin moisturized and supple. It's oil-free, quick-absorbing and water-light and paraben and alcohol and cruelty-free. Prevents premature aging caused by sun and dermatologically tested.
So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video because I tried my best to give 100% review of all the sunscreens, the texture and the USPs of all this. So give this video a big thumbs up and share this video, and do let me know in the comment section what you guys want me to add in my storefront. I will create idea list for those products, and I have my own Amazon store. I will give you the link below in the description box. Don't forget to check out that and to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and I will be back very soon with another exciting video. Stay tuned for that. Tab tak stay safe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.